Today we're going to talk about adjectives that compare. So we've been working on adjectives for a long time now. We've worked with the 5 senses for adjectives. We worked with adjectives that talk about exact and inexact numbers. So this will be our last type of adjectives. Think about this picture here, because it might make sense once we get through this lesson. So let's read our first sentence and identify the adjective. That is a large cup. Our adjective here is large. Large is describing the cup. Our next sentence reads, that cup is larger than the other cup. So the adjective here is changing. The adjective here is larger. It changes because we have the ER at the end, and it's comparing it to the other cup. It is still describing the cup in the sentence. It's just larger than the other one. Our last sentence is, that is the largest cup out of all of them. So let's bring in the largest cup. The adjective in this sentence is largest. It is comparing this one to the other two. When we're comparing it to two or more things, we add est. That is the largest cup out of all of them. So we can see the progression here from large to larger to largest. Let's see how we did that. When we're comparing just two things, we're just going to add er to the end of the word. So what happened to the word big before adding er? Let's see. The bridge is higher than the clouds. We are comparing the bridge to the clouds, so we're adding er. Oliver is bigger than Nora. Comparing Oliver to Nora. Well, let's see what happened to this word as we said in the question before. When we're describing something, we can describe it as big. But look what happened to the word bigger here. Because it's a vowel and then a consonant, we had to add another G before adding ER. That kept the I as a short I sound. Now, sometimes the ER rule doesn't always work. Sometimes we have to use the word more before the word. So let's look at this sentence here. The iPad is more valuable than the notebook. Comparing the iPad to the notebook, we change it to more valuable. We would not say valuable-er, just doesn't make sense. For the most part, longer adjective words, we're going to add more to the beginning. Now let's look when we're comparing more than two things. Adjectives that compare more than two things, we're going to add est to the end. So let's look at a couple examples. Brielle is the tallest student in the group. Brielle is being compared to Noah and Derek. She is the tallest, so we're comparing to more than two things. Mrs. Hoosier. Mrs. Hoosier is the craziest teacher. Now this one gets a little tricky. We're not sure who we're comparing to. However, we're thinking that of all of the teachers, she is the craziest. Let's see how this changed the word crazy. So crazy is a describing word. Now it's ending in a Y. This falls into the consonant Y rule, in which the Y changes to a I and add EST. So that's how that one changes. Now, just like we had to add more sometimes, the EST rule doesn't always work. So that in a couple cases, we're adding most to the beginning of the adjective word. So let's look. That is the most beautiful butterfly. So out of all the butterflies that you've ever seen, this one is the most beautiful. I see the most unique marble run ever. Most unique describing the marble run out of all of them. So we do not say beautifulest, we do not say uniquest, the most unique. So in some cases we have to use the word most.